Morning, this is Al from Beeline Clamp. Working on these stairs. Working my way up. What I did here was I hung a piece of 3/4 plywood and then nailed a 2x4 to the bottom side of it. And when I cut these rafters, when I cut these stringers, I put a notch in it so it'll hang on. Now, this will also get nailed on the side. It's also nailed through the back side of it into these stringers, back into it. So in order for these steps to fail, it would take an act of God. This is Timber Strand stringers, probably the best I've ever used. All these risers are glued. I don't know if you can see it, but they've got glue on them. That way I don't have any squeaks in my floors, especially steps. It's hard to get them out. Later on we'll put fire blocking here. But next step is to finish putting the treads on and then throwing this out 3.5, going up. These two blocks serve two purposes. They keep the stairs from flexing up and down, number one. Number two, they are also a fire block. Timber Strand LSL. It's great for interior framing. I know you're going to hear a lot of people complaining about, is it going to rot, blah, blah, blah. These corners never break out, and inside it's not going to hurt anything. Looks like I missed a nail there. I'll have to pop that back up. Anyway, it's Wednesday. Hump day.